Good morning, viewers. Welcome to Santik. Today we are in Phuket town and in a very unique building, a heritage building, a white house in mid of the Phuket town. We call it Santik. Santik meaning is peaceful. The building is very unique, very beautiful. The style, the artifacts. Why we choose this building? Because today our topic is menu engineering. Now, what is menu engineering? For all the restaurants, how we increase the revenue, how we increase the profitability, how we increase the margins, this report helps us. So today we're going to talk about it. The menu engineering report is also a revenue analysis, is a psychological analysis of the customer. So it's a revenue management, but again the costing involved. So it's a combination of the cost and the revenue. Give me a detailed insight. It tells you how your customer is thinking about you, what the next step can be. It gives you insight of the psychology of your customer, and that is why it's very important. Menu engineering report is a way to find out the popularity and the profitability. Two main things, popularity and profitability of the items sold during a fixed period, let's say a month. And by knowing the consumption pattern, we can start adjusting the menu. So this report divides the items sold during a period into 4 categories. First category is it's popular item, it's profitable. So the best category. The second one is popular but not profitable. The third category is not popular but profitable. And the fourth category is neither profitable or not popular. So entire item list is divided into 4 categories. Once we get this category, we start analyzing it in our benefit. This report has to be used periodically because what happened in each period, the item category keep changing. Sometimes item become popular, next month non-popular. But this keep happening over a period of time, and that is why this report need to be reviewed and analyzed periodically, which means time bound, let's say monthly or quarterly. While doing so, we have to make sure the items are of high impact, they're easy to sell and easy to buy. Easy to buy by the customer, easy to sell by us, which means the production process, and obviously it has a high impact, which means the taste and the region and the economical impact. It can have a social impact also. Like when you have a vegetarian festival going on in Phuket, you better sell the item which are vegetarian. So those things we have to keep in mind while we're using this report. Based on this report, we can make a tactical plan to encourage the customer to buy more. For easy reference, we name all the categories, all these 4 categories. The first category, which is popular and profitable, we call it star. The second category, which is popular but not profitable, we call it Plowhorses. The third category, which is not popular but profitable, we call it puzzle. And the fourth one, not profitable and not popular, call it dog. So the first category, the star. These items need to be a part of the promotional activities. They drive the volume, they push the revenue, and also they push the profitability. So if these items are in a promotional campaign, even with the discounting, they still give you the good margin. So the star category has to be part of it. I say part of it, not completely. The only point to be considered in the star category, when we have item under star category and the moment it move to other category, we have to see what's going on. We have to be very careful with this star category item. If the volume reduce, if the production is not coming, if there's a loss of sale, we have to immediately take a corrective action because these are our star. These are the one which is pulling the volume and giving us the most profitability. Plowhorses is a very popular item but not giving a popularity. So here the chef can reduce the portion size, change the recipe a little bit and try to make it star. The positive side of this category is it brings the customer because it is a popular item. So customers still keep coming to you. Let's say pasta is in this category. It's very popular. So when customer come, they order this, they order something else, they order some other item also. So it bring other revenue to, along with it. So it's not a bad category. The only thing is, yes, if we can improve the profitability, if we can change portion size or the recipe, tweaking little bit, make it star, very good. Otherwise, a good category. So the third category is a puzzle. These items are having high margins, but they're not very popular. So this item should stay in the menu. Till the time the margins are high, the outlet need to find a right balance, how to make it popular, make it more unique, available to the customer. Again, our principle of high impact, easy to sell, easy to buy, always keep in mind and try to manage with this item. So concentration on this category, the puzzle. And the fourth category is dog. Now it is neither popular nor profitable. Technically, this item should not be a part of the menu because these items are not giving you profitability and they're not popular in the customer also. So they're not coming to you for this item, they're coming for the star. They're coming for the Plowhorse, not for dog. Either we can change the recipe, change the item, or we take out from the menu. Again, our whole idea in this exercise is to increase the revenue and the margins. And this category somehow not contributing in the revenue and the margins. How can we change the outcome? To reduce the portion size, complementary add-ons, revise purchase specifications, update the team about the menu engineering so they understand which item is giving us more profitability, and market a low sale volume item as a unique. Any item is not very popular, try to make it a unique, show it as a unique, or unique for your restaurant or unique for the city or the area or the location, and packaging or combination of the meal. I'm going to explain you in detail how we do the packaging or combine few items, but which item we combine is based on this category again. We use this category or this menu engineering report very effectively to make the package. The package is what you see when you go to an outlet, when you go to a restaurant, and you see there are combo deals, we call it, like you can pay a fixed amount, you can get 3 items. How those items are decided? It's not based on somebody's taste, it is based on this report. When the recipe cost is done correctly, this report gives very accurate results, and when we use this report to make the combinations, it starts generating volume and the revenue. Let's model a package in combination A and combination B. In combination A, we'll keep fresh juice, healthy salad and pasta, and the price is for a juice is $1.75, healthy salad $4.1, and pasta is $4.35. So total cost is $10.20 if somebody take a combination A. And then we also offer a customers a combination B. Now combination B is tea coffee, healthy salad and seafood pasta. Again, cost is coming to $10.20, same as combination A. So if someone choose combination A or combination B, but in both combination, he's getting a different items. The fresh juice is replaced by the coffee or tea. Healthy salad, yes, it's there in both, and pasta replaced by the seafood pizza. Now, this is what customers see, but in background, what an outlet see is different. The fresh juice cost of sale is 34%. So it's under dog category. Healthy salad, the cost of sale is 12%, which is under star category. And pasta, the cost of sale is 16%. So it's again a star category. So in combination A, I have 2 star and 1 dog. 1 dog means it's not selling, it's not popular, and it's not profitable, but I want to sell it because my menu is like that. So I club this with a 2 star and 1 dog. And the second combination, Tea and coffee, the cost of sale is 11%, is puzzle, which means it's a profitable but it's not giving me the volume. Second, healthy salad is our star category, 12% cost of sale. And seafood pizza, the cost of sale is 39%, very high. It's a Plowhorse, which means it is a popular but it's not giving margin to us. So the second category is combination of a puzzle, which is a popular, star, popular and profitable, and Plowhorse, which is popular but not profitable. So the selling price of both is $10.20. So you can choose combination A or combination B. Now I show you something else. The cost model. The cost model is very important. I keep talking about it. Without cost model, cost structure, we can't do business. So cost model is very important. Now here in the screen you can see in the combination A, fresh juice, the cost is $0.60, healthy salad $0.50, pasta $0.7, the total cost is $1.8. So the contribution is coming 82%, which is $8.40. If we sell combination A, we'll make $8.40. And if we sell combination B, because it has a high cost item of seafood pizza, the contribution is only $7.8, which is 76%. So now we want to sell this category in the market, and suggested price is, let's say, $9. So a customer come and he see a price of $10.20, combination A, combination B, he is getting full meal. Outlet is getting contribution of 82% in combination A and 76% in combination B. Now let's say suggested price is $9, we give a discount of 12%. So customer see a value because he is not paying full value, he is paying only $9 instead of $10. And the outlet in the combination A still making 80%, in combination B still making 73%, and a lot of item which is not selling start selling. Let's say the tea coffee which is not selling now start selling. The puzzle start becoming the star because people start purchasing, and when we do these combinations, a lot of item which is actually not selling start selling. People start tasting the item, they start liking it, and start giving profit to the outlet. So this is one way of using menu engineering report. We do accurate recipe cost, we run the menu engineering report, we see the category item, then we make a combinations, we sell and give some discount. So even the discount is not reducing my margin because some of the item which is a high margin is covering up that impact, and the item which is produced in our kitchen are being sold, which are in under category of, let's say, dog or puzzle, they still start selling. So this is one of the technique which is used by the outlets, and it's very successful. But again, it's based on the menu engineering report. So we need to understand what is the menu engineering report, how it has been used, and how the category works. Sometime when we review these reports in different period, we see the category changes, the item changes the category. Why it happened? There can be various reasons. It can be because change in the market. Now when I say change in the market, which means there's a seasonal market. In a hospitality, we have seasonal market. Sometime, let's say, Russians are traveling, sometime Chinese traveling, sometime Indians are traveling, sometime Europeans are traveling. So nationality keep changing, geographical mix keep changing, and when the market changes, we see the popularity also change, and we see the change in this report. And that is the reason we have to keep watching this report or reviewing this report each month, each quarter, because the category of item which is puzzle become a star become dog. When these things happen, we may have to revise the recipe cost, the purchase specification, change in the raw material, and new item introduced. Because again, the change in the geographical mix or economical conditions, the market is changing, we have to start changing the items. Basically, all this review started after the change in the report happened. If some change is coming, we have to do the corrections. There can be other impact also. We can call it emotional, cultural, seasonal, economical. Season change, again, the item which not cost me too much in purchasing start costing me more. So again, the recipe cost change. So it can be a popular item. It can be a popular item which is high popularity and high profitability, but because cost is change, it can be because of season also. Let's say the mango price change. It was $5 per kg, now it's $10 per kg. and we have to use the same amount of mango in a dish, in an item. So the moment the cost prices change, the raw material prices change, the margin change. The margin change, the category change. And that is a time when we have to see what to do with that item. Do we discontinue it, or we continue it, or we add on, or we package it, which means it is for a shorter period. The season change, impact will change again. They can be economical also. What kind of market, what kind of people are coming to my restaurant, what people are traveling right now, and what is the economical condition also. If inflation is too high, pricing increase, so people have less spending power. So obviously it's impact our goods which we are selling. And the emotional is can't be defined basically. So at the end, I will mention again about the recipe cost. Accuracy in recipe cost is prime. If recipe cost is not accurate, even the best selling item, even our star category can move to other category. So if our recipe cost is accurate, it will really give us a very detailed insight on selling pattern, which can help us to increase our revenue. Again, the quantity and price variation has to be considered. But again, it all comes to the recipe. If chef is making correct recipe, everything goes flow in line. I hope this session gives you more insight about how we sell in the restaurant, how we make it more profitable. You can see a restaurant which is generating 2 million and some other restaurant also generating 2 million, but one restaurant is more profitable. Why? Because they're using these kind of reports. I hope this session gives you more insight about how the F&B sale happen. In next video, we're going to talk more about this cost control and revenue management techniques for a successful hotelier.